and welcome back to another video at my YouTube channel and blog. Today I'm doing the unboxing for the August 2018 card kit from Simon. It's a little late getting up because I was on vacation. You see, it was held at the post office, so just went and got it today. So let's jump right in here. Alright, we got our candy. Alright, let's take the paper out here so I can see what all we got. Okay, it has a Simon Says stamp, large stamp set, and it's called Modern Flowers, which has a lot of really pretty flower images that kind of give it a country feel. Love the farm fresh and the little picket fence, and that for you is just beautiful. So is that thank you. So, oh, I like the with love. That's neat. So we got with love, a special gift for you. Thank you. Got a little heart. With thanks for everything, for your kindness. The thank you for your love, picked with love, from my heart to yours, for you, grown with love. So, and then those will fit right in that circle too. So that's really pretty. I really like that stamp set. Okay. And so next we have Mandy's Flowers 6x8 clear stamp set. Oh, I'm sorry. This is Mandy's Flowers. This is the cling stamps, the 6x6 cling stamp called Modern Flowers. So this is a background stamp, Modern Rose Bloom. So it's a background stamp. And it is the etched red rubber, and so that'll be very pretty, especially in a light color. It'll be really, really pretty. Okay, now we got 12 single-sided BoBunny Early Bird 6x6 pattern papers. Here it is. All right, so we got some pretty butterflies. Florals, little teapot, teacup, script, lots of florals, birds and patterns, but a really pretty color palette. So that is by BoBunny, and it's called Early Bird. Okay, so we get one 5 3/4 by 8.2 sheet of Tonic powder blue lace luxury embossed paper, and it is, you catch it in the light, it is a very, very pretty paper. That's very nice. Okay, you got one package of Doodlebug tiny heart sprinkle enamel dots, enamel sprinkle shapes. You get a little baby bottle of Nuvo Bubblegum blush. Very cute. And that's crystal drops. You get 1 yard of the May Arts natural twine string in the burlap. And then for Simon Says cardstock, you get 1 sheet each of, you got 120-pound white and cotton candy, which that all goes very well, and with the color palette of the pattern paper, that bubblegum goes very, very well. So this is the Simon Says stamp August 2018 card kit, and it is called Mandy's Flowers, and that's the name's escaping me right now, but the designer, her name is Mandy. So that's what we have. Stay tuned for cards with all these wonderful goodies. Y'all have a great day.